So in this video, we are not necessarily in any one place. This is just the point of, they say you can be whatever you want to be. You can be anything. You can't. They can't. People, you can't be whatever you want to be. Also, if your job requires that you carry a firearm and you can't keep it, go drive for Uber. Can we please do that? Also, I'd like to note, like 82% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. You got your phone in your hand, you got your laptop, click the button and we'll move along. So, we're going to go through just a few videos here and show you what my point is. Female officers cannot, to save their life, keep their firearm. And we're going to look at a few videos and put the DEI needs to stop. The diversity, equity, and inclusion, be whatever you want. No, these people are getting killed. Not all of them in here, but I'm just saying enough.
A police officer walking down a dark road. She's checking out a suspicious...
She is walking down a dark road by herself. She thinks because she's got a flashlight in her car way back up here somewhere. No. If she's going to make contact with us, one, where's some backup? Two, why would you walk straight onto a vehicle that you don't know what is going on? There's all kinds of dark areas back here where you could walk in back here and come up from behind. Element of surprise, or, I don't know, wait for backup.
Vehicle with out-of-state plates.
Hello?
In this police body cam video, she questions the driver behind the wheel.
What are you doing parked back here?
Right in the kill zone. She has no idea what he's holding down here. I mean, please fucking stop. Stop with the DEI and stop with the fucking dumbass.
Do you happen to have a driver's license on you that I could see?
He seems nervous, fumbling for the license.
It's suspicious that you're back here. This doesn't normally...
Everything's suspicious of them, but the point is, he is apparently way back there.
happen.
The guy tells her he doesn't have a license.
I just have to make sure, you don't have any warrants or anything. Which I'm sure you don't.
What Officer BRIANNA TEDASCO...
This right here, no, should be back here. At least this is a bit of, not necessarily concealment, but don't stand directly in the kill zone.
doesn't know is that the man is a fugitive, wanted for murder. He gave her a fake name of James Duncan.
James Duncan. He said James Duncan, and she was probably thinking Dunkin' Donuts and was trying to wrap this up.
They're not finding a DL, driver's license record for James Duncan. Do you have anything in the vehicle with your name on it?
That's when all hell breaks loose.
No!
He pulls a gun.
She's about 100 and plus pounds, too heavy for the fucking job. She couldn't, even if he wasn't armed and he got out and was going to go hands-on with her, she is not winning that fight, sorry.
Gun on the officer. She begs for her life.
No, please don't do it!
They struggle for 20 seconds. From another angle, you can see the backup unit.
Here comes the backup. Now, here's the backup running in. Captain coming to save the day.
Officer Tedesco struggles. Her backup opens fire. The suspect is taken down. His real name, Kenneth Martell, and he was wanted in Pennsylvania for the home invasion, robbery, murder of 88-year-old Theodore Garver. Now, Martell has met his own violent end.
No!
Yes, stop. So, let's go to Illinois.
Thank you for that report. Developing tonight, Kankakee County state's attorneys are calling for the death penalty for two defendants involved with the murder and attempted murder of two Bradley police officers.
New details about that incident revealed today paint a terrifying picture.
Anthony Ponce is live tonight with more.
Tia and Corey, Illinois is not a death penalty case, but for this case, Kankakee County
Almost sound like he said KKK. It's Kankakee.
prosecutors have actually approached the U.S. Attorney General's office and asked them to consider it a federal murder case, and the Kankakee County State's Attorney has even submitted a formal request for federal death sentences for both defendants involved. During a bond hearing today for 26-year-old Zandria Harris.
Also, I could have sworn there was body camera footage of this. I couldn't find it to save my life, and this was from, like, I don't know, a while ago.
The Kankakee County State's Attorney said body cam footage from 49-year-old deceased officer Marlene RITTMANIC,
who ran and still couldn't keep her firearm,
recorded her pleading with 25-year-old Darius Sullivan not to shoot her. Sergeant RITTMANIC was pleading with them to just leave. You don't have to do this. Please just go. Please don't. Please don't. She was desperately pleading for her life, State's Attorney Jim Rowe told the court. Rowe went on to say Harris played a huge role in RITTMANIC's death, having blocked her and her partner, 27-year-old Tyler Bailey.
Now, let's set the stage. There's dogs barking in a hotel parking lot. So these bright ones, the female sergeant and the dumbass 25-year-old, to begin with, 25, no, stop. We'll start at 30 and see if you have sense enough to step in out of a shower of rain. If you do not, no. Too young, she couldn't keep her firearm. Anyway, they make contact with people in the hotel as he's knocking on the door. I don't know if they announced or not, because the body cam footage, you can't find it. Anyway, the people inside open the door. Billy Badass, starts taking an ass whipping, literally. He goes to the ground. This one, coming down the hall, turns and runs the other way. So as he gets his ass beat and shot, she's running away. Catch up with her, take her gun, shoot, and kill her. I'm completely confused as to why, when this one's taking an ass whipping, this one isn't letting some lead fly. I'll put it like that, because, you know, YouTube, no, she is running away
from entering their hotel room and disarming RITTMANIC after she...
And they said, the ones that were in the hotel room said they didn't know what was going on. They were in there with their kids, and they thought somebody was trying to break in.
He'd been shot one time. Sullivan fired the shots which killed her and critically wounded Bailey, but Rowe said Harris helped Sullivan cock his gun and helped disarm RITTMANIC. I will be submitting an official request to the U.S. Attorney General to review the first-degree murder case pending against Darius Sullivan and Zandria Harris for federal murder charges and pursue a federal sentence of death against both defendants, Rowe told the court before the judge denied bond. RITTMANIC's partner, Tyler Bailey, is critically wounded. He is right now fighting for his life in the hospital. A GoFundMe fundraiser for Bailey has already raised more than $73,000. We are live downtown tonight. Anthony Ponce, Fox 32, Chicago.
All right. So,
Thank you.
You would think that would be, he's critically wounded. He didn't die. So, did they keep him on the police department? They did. They kept him on the police department for 2 more years, gave him promotions, and then he medically retired. Now, this is going to be difficult to hear. I have the volume all the way up.
And I'll swear you in. Can you raise your right hand? Swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, so help you God? I do. Thank you. Whenever you're ready, Mr. Rowe, you've been sworn.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Can you please introduce yourself to the jury?
My name is Sergeant Tyler Bailey,
Sergeant, how old are you?
30 years old.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
And how long have you been married?
Going on 3 years now.
Remember what day you got married?
October 23rd of 2021.
And back in 2001, were you a police officer?
2001?
2021.
Yeah.
Okay. And where were you a police officer? For what department?
Bradley Police.
And do you recall what year you started with the Bradley Police?
2018.
2018?
Yeah.
So in December of 2021, you had been a Bradley police officer for
I
about,
was, yeah.
and for about 3 years at that time? Is that a yes?
Yes.
Now, Sergeant, do you recall, well first, back in 2021, were you a sergeant yet?
I was an officer then.
An officer. Would that be a patrol officer?
Yeah, I was.
Do you recall being on duty on December 29, 2021?
Don't remember that day at all.
Do you recall any details of an incident that occurred at the Comfort Inn Hotel in Bradley, Illinois on December 29?
None whatsoever. Entire day is blank.
I'm going to show you, Tyler, what I previously marked as People's Exhibit 191. May I approach you?
May.
Take a moment, Tyler, to look at that photo and let me know when you've had an opportunity to do so.
That's me.
That's you. And that's a picture of you?
Yep.
Is that a photo of you prior to December 29, 2021?
Yes, it is.
Does that fairly and accurately depict how you appeared prior to December 29, 2021? Is that a yes?
Yes.
Judge, at this time I would move to admit and publish People's Exhibit 191.
Any objection?
No.
You may. I'll show admitted in public.
Tyler, since December 29th of 2021, have you been confined to a wheelchair?
Yes, I have.
He is confined to a wheelchair.
And since that time, you require constant care.
Yes, I do.
Who provides that care?
My wife and my dad.
His wife and his dad provides constant care.
Is that the evidence?
Tyler, how did the incident that occurred on December 29, 2021, how has that impacted your life?
I can't work anymore. My dream to be a police officer.
And have you since retired from the Bradley Police Department as retired on disability?
Yes, I have.
Is your retirement official in December of 2023?
Yes.
I have a moment to...
He retired as a sergeant. He wasn't a sergeant when he was shot. They kept him around, I'm guessing paid him, and promoted him. So taxpayers could pay more money because neither one of the two could figure out how to not get shot at a hotel.
No further questions for Sergeant Bailey, Your Honor.
No?
No questions.
All right, thank you.
Watch breaking news
Yes,
on...
that was quite loud. But, no. No. What I'm saying is... No. Sergeant female ran away when the young one was getting his ass beat and shot at. So they kept him on for 2 years, promoted him. Then now he's on disability, I'm guessing, according to the article. They have found the other one's guilty. This one runs away. And they still took her gun away from her. Anyway, that's where we're at with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, 82% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Got your phone in your hand, got your laptop, click the button, and we'll move along. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'm out.